Hello, welcome to the Further Mathematics A-Level information session. The aim of this video is to give you answers to questions that you may have regarding this course. However, if you do have any questions at the end of this video, then please do feel free to email me on the email address shown on your screen. At WSO for A-level maths, for both the normal A-level maths and the further A-level maths, we use Edexcel. So it's the same exam board that students would have used with their GCSEs. And in order to do the further maths A-level, then you do also need to be doing the normal maths A-level as well, because the content that's taught in the normal A-level maths feeds into the further maths as well. What will your child learn in A-level further maths? Likewise, with the normal maths A-level, there are three strands. One strand being the pure mathematics, you can see the topics listed there, and there are two option modules. So two of the exams your child will sit at the end of year 13 will be from option modules. We offer the decision module and the mechanics module. Both lists of topics you can see there on your screen. There is another option module of statistics. However, we offer the decision and mechanics because of the type of students we get and what they want to do after leaving school. So if you're into engineering, then mechanics tends to be the more popular option. Depending on numbers, we could offer statistics, but at the moment we are offering decision and mechanics. How is it assessed? So at the end of year 13, your child will sit 4 exam papers. 2 of them will be in pure maths and 2 of them will be in the option modules. So the pure maths papers can contain any element of pure maths from year 12 and year 13. They are both 1 hour, 30-minute exams worth 25% of the qualification and 75 marks each. They're also both calculator papers. Likewise, the option papers, they're calculator papers. One paper would be decision and the 4th paper would be mechanics. So studying A-level further maths will enable your children to develop a number of skills such as problem solving, analytical skills, research skills and logic. And these skills can then be applied to many different areas of their lives. It will also help prepare them for university as well. So students who tend to study A-level further maths tend to go on to study engineering in particular. That's quite common, but also you could go on to study any of the sciences, medicine, statistics, or business and economics. What are the entry requirements? Due to the demands of the course, then we do ask that your child has at least a grade 8 at GCSE mathematics. How can you support your child? Well, listed on the screen here are a list of the topics which overlap from Key Stage 4 GCSE into the A-level maths. So in order to prepare your child for September, I would recommend making sure that they have a good understanding in the topics that are listed here. In order to do this, then you'll be able to find resources on the websites that are also shown on your screen there, so MathsWatch and Dr. Frost. And then your students, once they've started the course, they'll be able to use those websites then to revise and review content from Key Stage 5. So the 2 websites there are good for preparing for the A-level and also for consolidation once they've begun the A-level course. And we also recommend that students become familiar with their calculator before they start the course. And the calculator that we recommend is the Casio. So the 2 different Casio models are listed there. They're the 2 that we recommend. There are other models out on the market, so TI Inspire and TI 84. We don't recommend these. We feel that the Casio is more user-friendly, so that would be our preferred choice. So if you don't already have a calculator, the Casio models listed there are the ones that we would recommend. However, if you do have older children who do have the TI Inspire and you want them to use the calculator that you've already got, then that's not an issue as well. We just prefer the calculator. We find it easier to use. So if you do have any more questions, then please do email me on the email address that I shared at the start of this presentation. And thank you.